In our last episode of America, History and Life with Full Text, we did a simple search on the Bay of Pigs and discovered how to refine that search with different filters and exciting subjects, which came up with this topic search here. You can see Bay of Pigs invasion Cuba, 1961. Now the quotation marks make sure the phrase is all taken as one thing instead of the individual pieces. Another important thing to note, if you want to see the full text, you just click on this PDF full text button here and it'll bring you right to it. Also, many of the full texts are included with the regular links right there. Alright, let's move on to the advanced search. Okay, for the advanced search, first thing you'll notice here is the DE before Bay of Pigs. Now, DE, that there is a field code. Click on this one here, it gives you a list of field codes. And field codes restrict your search to certain areas. This one here for old text, AU for author, TI for title, SU for subject terms, AB for abstract, and so on and so forth. Let's try closing this window, and let's do SU, and that one I believe was for the subject codes. And now you need to put that subject thing in front of each of them or it will search for them in different places. So if you have like S subject use Bay of Pigs Cuba, you might want to have like TI for the title. Now you could do, I don't know, Kennedy. Let's see if anything comes up. If you spelled everything properly. So my search didn't yield any results, but they pulled up some other ones that were related to it. About this one, over the Bay of Pigs. So they came up with some similar stuff, so you can click on here. Because you're probably not going to find this in the title. So you could just remove that stuff here. Bay of Pigs, title, Kennedy. As you can see, there's some issues with doing that, but it's easy enough to go back to modify your search. I forgot to put in our Boolean phrases. You need the and or that. So let's see that. Does it pull it up? Yep, and now it has results. So it's really important to remember the Boolean phrases if you're combining two terms like Bay of Pigs and the name of somebody, or something else like that. Alright, let's go back to the advanced search. Now, the advanced search had very similar options to the basic search one here, if you use search options instead. But what's nice about that one is it lets you actually keep your search terms included with the advanced search if you've already made them. So that's one of the useful things about the advanced search option. The search history option will show all the things you've already searched, so if you want to redo one of your searches, you can just do that again. And that's a very useful option. So let's start a new search from that point, back from the home page. Let's go to the advanced search option. Now, what's a good historical era? Let's go with the Vietnam War. Now let's put in quotation marks, so it's searched all as one. And then let's have it be in the SU, the subject terms, which may not have anything. And then let's have it not be about the US. United States. Because we don't want the United States involved in this search. We want to make sure our references are available. We also want to be full text. Then yes, let's have peer-reviewed. We only want peer-reviewed articles. We don't really care about when it was published. We're just looking for very general stuff. Let's find if they were anything about the Vietnam War, but not the United States. Oh, a decent amount. Oh, we've got a Swedish Vietnam criticism. Oh, interesting. All right, let's click on that. Take a look. So this here is the source, Cold War history. You come down here, and it's actually got the full text, just like right here included in it, which is one of the nice things about this resource. Now, and if you were curious, you could even see if this company or entity has actually published anything else. You can click on that and it'll pull it up. Oh, they haven't really published much else in this. Okay, let's go back to our advanced search. Oh wait, no, let's do search history because I don't want to go back to there. Let's do that. I think I want to do this one again and refresh our search results. Okay. Now, an interesting thing you can do in the search history page is you combine one search and another search, and then you could search it with and or with or, and then it should come up with results. But of course, none were found because those are very unrelated search terms. Alright, so let's get rid of that. And yeah, that's how you just do a more advanced search. But I would recommend using these different fields to find out, to refine your searches. And then you can also look up applying related words here if you want to have something similar. And it's pretty good resource.